Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a little Color Club haul and swatches. Here we go. I picked up Black Magic. I bought these online. If I can remember, I'll try to link them down below. And this is Opal Your Mind. And some of these were like special polishes, so I had to have them. And this one is Midnight Magic. Oh yes. As well as Oh Hell No. And then the final one here is All Wrapped Up. And we've got our little nail wheel out today, and I'm going to swatch them on their own over these over this nail wheel, and then I changed my mind in the middle of it and decided to do them over black also. So there's Black Magic on its own, and I did 2 coats. I don't show me doing both coats, I don't think. No, I don't. So here's Opal Your Mind. I did do 2 coats, though, for the photo. And, oh, my goodness, this one's so pretty. Wait till you see it over black. Midnight Magic. And then, Oh Hail, H-A-I-L, No. That one can be full coverage easy. And then All Wrapped Up. This one is a stunner too. I know I don't look anything special right there, but look. Oh! Alright, so here we go over the black. And I know you can't really see it all that great here. Maybe the swatch photo will... Nah, didn't really do it justice, but it's gorgeous. And then the opal. Oh my goodness. Opal Your Mind. So pretty. Got little flakies trying to come off the ends. Isn't that stunning? Alright, now this one is a shocker because it looks totally different than on its own. Over black it picks up the red and copper tones. Midnight Magic. And the Oh Hell No. This one's a little, you know, like I said, it's pretty opaque. And there we have that one. And finally, All Wrapped Up. I think it looks really pretty over the black too. And there you have it, my little Color Club haul. Hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.